Hey guys, it's Crazy Cubing, and today I'm going to be solving this cube outside, but there are challenges. Okay, so the first challenge is a very easy one. I'm going to solve it on a cross color that I'm not color neutral with. So I'm color neutral with white and yellow. I'm going to do blue. So we're going to start in 3, 2, 1, and go. Alright, that was actually quite a bit harder than I thought it would be, but it wasn't as difficult as some of the ones that are going to be coming up, definitely. Alright, so my next challenge is to be solving this cube, but every single time I finish a step such as cross, F2L, OL, and PL, I'm going to have to get off the tractor and back on. So, kind of like my trampoline challenge, except on a tractor. So we're going to start it in 3, 2, 1, and go. That was a super easy X cross, okay. And that was completely accidental. I don't know how the X cross was so easy. I get a little bit of recognition time in between, so that's kind of nice. And done! I don't know how long that was, but probably not that long. There's a car, by the way. Alright, so this challenge is kind of like the tractor one, except every time I finish a stage, I have to run up the slide and go back down it. So this one's going to be a bit weird. So we'll start in 3, 2, 1, and go. That's the cross. So. Alright. F2L's done. Oh, just regular 2 look. Okay. And for PL, we have a Z-perm, so. Okay. Done. Wow, that was hard. Ow. Alright, this one's also kind of like the last two. It's cube, but every time I finish a stage, I have to spin myself in this chair, which, if you didn't already know, makes me super motion sick. So we'll give it a shot. It's gonna be rough, but and go. Alright. Okay, and it's gonna unspin as I'm solving F2L, so yeah, not exactly fun. Especially when I'm not looking up. Oh wow, okay. F2L is done. Alright, OL is already done, and we have a J-perm, okay. Done, and last spin has to be good. Okay, wow. This is making me dizzy. Okay, I did it. Oh, wow, okay. Alright, this one might be my hardest one. So every time I finish a step on this cube, I have to go all the way down and touch that tree over there, sprinting and run back, but I can't do any turns while I'm running, so this is going to be exhausting, but I mean, I run a lot, so I'm kind of trained for this. So, and go. I already messed up. This is a very bad cross. Okay. Alright, not too bad. Still feeling good. Oh. Turning sucks a lot of energy out. Okay. Hey, Perm. I'm scared right now. Okay. Done. Wow, that was hard. Oh, I'm still tired from that last one, but we got a couple more. So next, same deal every time I finish a step, except this time, climbing up that ladder and coming back down. So, and go. Oh, ouch, didn't get the landing right. Okay. Yeah, I've got to be more careful. And then you come. Okay. Done. Huh, that wasn't that bad. Yeah, it kind of was bad actually. Alright. Now I have goats too, so we'll see how this goes. This one is really like almost too friendly, so he might be bothering me. Alright, ready, set, and go. And there go the sheep. Now they're loud, okay. Hi. This is a really weird video, I have to say that. Alright, and to end it off, I think I'm going to do a trampoline solve. So, the trampoline's pretty dirty right now, and if you want to see more trampoline cubing, you can check out the card above. But it's the same thing as before. Every time I finish a step, I have to do something. And this time, I have to do a flip. And if I fail a flip, I have to start the whole thing over. And it's going to be really hard since the trampoline is so dirty. So wish me luck, because this is going to be difficult. Alright, 3, 2, 1, and go. You get like a feel, you get like the weightlessness feel when you do this. Like that feel is done. Oh. What's our feel? It's an A-perm. I'm getting a lot of this today. Alright. Wait, wrong A-perm. Oh, okay. Woo. Alright. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate it. And make sure you check out these other videos on your screen all over the place. We'll see you next time. Bye. Oh. I'm okay. That was intended.